Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are discussing Delaware.
Yes, the great state of Delaware.
Yes. Now, the beautiful thing about Delaware, we know that it's one of the smaller states, but it still ranks 37th across the United States for mobile home markets. Now, you guys have over 260 mobile home communities in the state of Delaware, so it's still a beautiful opportunity.
Yes, and so when you think about it, you guys, for your average median home cost, you're talking about $240,000, which is actually pretty good to be on the East Coast. But when you look at the mobile home sector, right, for a new mobile home or for a 2005 on its own land, your average price is right at $69,000. So you see that huge gap. But the beautiful thing about it, we've had students be able to find homes in Delaware for $1,500.
Yes. Now, in Delaware, again, with it being a smaller state, the parks are going to be very scarce. So you're definitely going to want to go ahead and be willing to travel, right? So you want to be able to travel outside in those rural areas, and you'll find a lot of these parks that we're mentioning.
Yes, and a great resource if you want to learn more things about mobile homes. All right, you want to go to the Delaware Manufactured Housing Association, and that website is firststatemha.org.
Yes. Now, like many other states, again, your mobile home must be titled. In the state of Delaware, though, they actually give you up to 60 days to go ahead and take care of that title transfer. So it gives you a little bit of time as well, especially when you're trying to find your buyer.
Yes, and the price, phenomenal. Your title transfer, $35. Now, here's the thing. If there is a lien holder on the title, and somebody asks, well, what is a lien holder? A lien holder is just, it could be a third party or the party who holds the note or for the payments, right? That title transfer can be $55. Very, very affordable when it comes to the title transfer.
Yes. Now let's talk about how many mobile homes you have to do before you need that dealer's license. So in the state of Delaware, you can actually do up to 5 mobile home deals before needing a license. So honestly, it's no excuse. You can go ahead and get busy, get 5, get some on passive income before you even need any requirements of a license.
Yes, and if you're looking for a license, you can go to dmv.de.gov.
Yes, so let's talk about the hot spots. So where are these mobile home communities and this mobile home opportunity that we're discussing? So we have Millsboro at 28 mobile home communities. We have Long Neck at 28, Dover at 16. We have Leipzig at 15, and Lewes Beach with 11.
Yes, Seaford has 10 communities, okay? Blades has 10 communities. Wilmington has 8 communities. Dewey Beach, 8. Newark has 7. Georgetown has 7. And Christina, I hope I'm saying it right, Christina has 6. So again, you guys have so much opportunity. You know where to go, all right, where to get started. You know about your title information. You want to take this information, and we're looking forward to you guys getting started.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.